Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to make a really easy picture frame that you can do with your kids. I used to do this as a child and they're really easy to make and they're really cute when they're finished. I'll show you an example of one I've had for many years. It comes out like this with a little loop, bit of lace, but I'm going to make mine square in the center. All you do is you just cut out 2 pieces of cardboard, and I'm going to use this kind of material. You can use school glue. I'm using a glue gun because it's a lot faster, but you can use school glue because that's all I used to use when I was younger. So it doesn't have to be perfectly square or perfectly round. So you just take this, oops, and fold it in. Like I said, nobody's going to see the inside of it anyway, so you can just do whatever way you want. This is a really easy project and it's fun for the kids to do. Okay, I'm just going to snip this off. Like I said, I'm just doing a faster version, but you could take your time doing this. I'm just hurrying it so it don't take a long time to do this video. Okay, let's pull off the strings. Do a bit of snipping. Now I'm going to show you some recycling things you can do too for it. Let's see, this is all started. Now remember, when you do this, leave the top open. Do not glue the top. That's where your picture slides down inside. Now I got some lace. I chopped it into pieces that can go on the picture frame. I got big long strips of it. You just measure it out as you're going. Oh, I just gotta grab another glue stick. Okay. Oops, I moved it out of the way. Now I just snip off the excess. Now I know you can take it and just fold it around, but it's too much misery, like trying to tuck it into corners to turn it, so I cut it like this. Is a lot easier. And when you're done, you can embellish the outside. Mine has a flower on it, but I think with this one I'm going to do a material butterfly. It's almost like the lace that I have. This is what the butterfly looks like. It's all lace material. Okay, now that's done. That aside, and you do it for the other one. Same thing. start on this side first. And as you're going, you just cut away the excess, and you'll have to cut out the hole for the inner part of the picture frame. Oh, piece clear. Oops, material sliding around. Yeah. I'll just cut around the edge. Okay, to the side. Now with this, you gotta have a little bit of patience, but I'm doing this really quickly because just to show how it's made. But this was something I learned in, I believe it was either primary or elementary school for crafts. Like I said, it doesn't matter what it looks like on the inside because nobody's going to see this because this will be all sealed in. So it don't really matter. Now, snip off the excess. Okay, and what you do is go like this. You can see if you can puncture a hole through. And you can make an X. So it'll be easier to fold over into your picture frame. And you just fold it in like that. There we go. Oh, stick. Okay, and do that on all sides. And that's the front of your picture frame what it looks like, which is really cute so far. Now I'm just going to snip off the excess from there. And I glue a little bit more back here. Go. Okay, that's the bottom part, top part. Okay, now for the recycling part, the easy part is if you have any plastic left over on plastic bags or anything like that, you can put it inside to cover the picture. Like this, I have a plastic bag left over from the dollar store. It was a product I bought. All you have to do is just use the plastic inside. That way you're recycling. And you can also use any kind of design you want to. Like a lot of times you buy products, they have like fancy backs on them like this. Or they have like Christmas tree designs or anything at all. You can use that and put that in the back to make a nice background. Which I might do for this one. Let me see. Cut it barcode. see if I can make this fit now, because a lot of times, yep, that should fit. And I'll put that on here, just measure it. Okay, let's see. Glue it onto the back. Quick about this. Glue stick. Okay. And there you go. Oh, and then make it a little bit straighter. That turned out kind of crooked. Okay, and the top part. And see, it goes like that. And you just glue it down. Get a glue stick. Oops. You just glue the sides and your bottom. You do not glue the top, because the top is where your picture is going to go. So you just press it down. And see, your top is open, so you can slide your picture down the side there. So I need a picture. You cut it to the size of your picture. Okay. And your picture just slides down through here. Oops, alright. Now, I'm not going to show the person's picture, but this is how it goes in here. It slides down right through the top right here. And I'm going to put my little butterfly on in the corner. And there's the butterfly. And then all you have to do is just get a piece of string, glue it right back here, and you can hang it right on your wall with your picture in it. And as easy as that. See? And it just slides your picture right out. And there's your picture frame. It might not look perfect because I didn't turn the edges here, but anybody can do that. I just did a fast job of it. But you can have a cute little picture frame like that for your wall.